Hi, welcome to an unboxing, as it were, of Alien 4K Ultra HD. There's the cover. Not brilliant. I should just tell you what it's actually on it. You can read the box there and see what's on there. Seems like we have a 79 theatrical version and a 2003 director's cut. Audio commentaries, introduction by Ridley Scott, isolated score by Jerry Goldsmith, deleted and extended scenes, all in 4K, 5.1 DTS HD master audio. Now let's have a look at the discs. Or the disc. Damn thing out. Can't wait to watch this later. Beautiful photography and the Alien aesthetic. There are the discs inside. Look forward to watching this later on when it gets dark. Thanks for watching.